A comprehensive guide to optimizing your YouTube channel for search. Introduction. YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing your content, but it's essential to optimize your channel for search if you want to reach a broader audience. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of optimizing your YouTube channel to improve its visibility in search results. Step 1. Keyword research. Before you start optimizing your channel, it's crucial to conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or KeywordTool.io to identify relevant keywords and phrases in your niche. These keywords will be the foundation of your optimization efforts. Step 2. Channel name and URL. Choose a channel name that reflects your content and includes primary keywords. Customize your channel's URL to include relevant keywords. To do this, go to YouTube Studio >settings basic info channel URL. Step 3. Channel description. Write a concise and keyword-rich channel description. Include relevant keywords naturally. Explain what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. Add links to your website and social media profiles. Step 4. About section. Optimize the About section of your channel. Include keywords and provide more details about your channel's content, mission, and schedule. Add contact information if applicable. Step 5. Channel art and logo. Design visually appealing channel art and logo images that represent your brand or content. Ensure these images are high quality and correctly sized for YouTube's requirements. Tools like Canva can help you create professional-looking graphics. Step 6. Playlists. Create keyword-rich playlists related to your content. Organize your videos into these playlists to make it easier for viewers to find content they're interested in. Use descriptive titles and descriptions for your playlists. Step 7. Video optimization. Optimize individual videos for search. A. Write keyword-rich titles that accurately describe the content. B. Craft detailed, keyword-rich descriptions that include relevant information. C. Use tags that reflect your video's content and keywords. D. Create eye-catching, custom video thumbnails. E. Use end screens and cards to encourage viewer engagement. Step 8. Engage with viewers. Engage with comments on your videos. Respond to questions and foster a sense of community. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Interact with your audience on social media platforms. Step 9. Consistent posting. Develop a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Stick to your schedule to build trust and expectations among your viewers. Step 10. Analytics and monitoring. Regularly check YouTube analytics to monitor the performance of your channel and videos. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather from your analytics. Conclusion. Optimizing your YouTube channel for search is an ongoing process. By following these steps and staying committed to producing high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your results, you can increase your channel's visibility and attract more viewers over time. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and persistence, so stay dedicated to your goals. Good luck!